Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get double tap screen lock in Pixel and other Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Tap Tap Lock, and the first is will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on OK. Now just click on this tap tap lock option. Now just turn on this use tap tap lock. Click on allow. Now just move back. Now you will see the various options present here. So on the first option, you will get two options. Choose whether you want to choose the widget or you can select the shortcut. So here we'll use the widget. You can use the shortcut also. And below there is a widget settings color. So depending upon your widget color, you can select. And below there is a double tap option. So let us keep it as it is. And you can change the time also by sliding from here. And below is the demo option. Simulate the transparency of the widgets. And the last option here is the other settings about screen flickering when locking. So we'll keep as it is. So now just click on this widget and click on this add to home screen. Now you can minimize it. Now just place it where you want to place it and let us resize it. So I want this area to be used as a double tap screen lock. So once you have select the area, you can double tap on it and the screen will get locked, so you can clearly see. So if you want to make this widget transparent, just open back the application settings, and now under this widget settings color, just drag this first option to the leftmost corner, and now the widget which you have placed will be completely transparent, as you can see here. So if we double left click on this respective area, so you can see it gets screen lock. So it's perfectly working. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get double tap screen lock in Pixel and other Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.